Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted this on the internet on Facebook, and I thought I'd found the font called Keep On Trucking on DA Fonts. It's just Keep On Trucking, and they might have. So if you go to dafonts.com and type in Keep On Trucking, this will come up. This might be close enough, but this is more than just a font. This has been played with. So we're going to play with it to make it look like that. So I've got this font separated. So what we're going to do, we're going to select them both, hold down the shift key and double click on your rectangle tool, and you go to rectangle, go up to object, convert that rectangle to a curve, get your shape tool, and then right click and turn them into a curve. And then we can take these handles and kind of mimic what they did with their, and you could add nodes and make it even more so your design. We'll go to the bottom, we'll do the same thing. It's just got a little bit of, now I'm not changing the font yet. We're going to change that in a second. Then I'm going to take the 3-point curve line and I'm just going to draw a line across, and then I'm going to arch it up. But then I'm still going to use the shape tool and it's already a curve. So I need to maybe bring this one down, and I'm not spending all that time making sure. But then if we take the font and nudge it down, take the font and I'm going to nudge this one over, we can use these two new vessels I created, and I'm going to nudge it over to the right or left, nudge this one over to the right. So this is our top. I'm going to select them both, and I'm going to left click no fill, right click outline. We can actually delete these. We don't need them anymore. And I haven't moved anything. I've nudged everything. So now we're going to take, this is actually the top, which is this one. So I'm going to go to effects and envelope, and I'm going to go right here to create a new envelope form from this. Look what it did. Then I'm going to grab this text, create a new envelope form from this. Look what it did. Now we could nudge that, but since we actually need to move it a little closer together, we could do that just by eyesight. I would maybe hold down the control button so it's still perfect. So that, is a little bit different than mine. I apologize. I told him I thought it was Keep On Trucking. You can get that. It's under Groovy, which I kind of thought it was. So it's not the exact font, but it's almost the same, and it's almost the same effect. Anyway, I hope that helped them just a little bit. Thank you for watching.